Vice President Sara Duterte's impeachment trial may stretch all the way up to the first quarter of 2027. That's according to the spokesperson of the Senate Impeachment Court in an interview on BNC's The Spokes.
Na-estimate po natin based sa pre-trial order na 90 days po ang tatahakin ng impeachment. Pero bilang trial lawyer po, alam natin na yung 90 days na yan. It's more of preference lang yan, expectation lang yan. Pero pwedeng umaba kung maraming mga incidents, interlocutory incidents like these, like yung sa subpoena po. So baka mas mahaba pa. So ang calendaring po ng impeachment court, baka we bleed into the 2027 first quarter. So, yun po, kung hindi po tutulong yung both parties na to cut down on the number of witnesses, hindi naman pwede nating diktahan sila as an impeachment court.
Attorney Tonggol also urged the public to give it some time before judging whether some senator judges are biased.
Many Filipinos believe some senator judges have already made up their minds. How do you convince the public that the trial remains fair and impartial?
Ako, bigyan po natin ng leeway yung ating mga senador because akala po natin yun na yun, pero hindi pa po. Kasi umpisa pa lamang po ng trial to eh. So, tingnan natin yung kanilang mga performance at makikita naman ninyo liliko yan sa kabila, liliko rin yan dun sa kabila because kailangan nilang malaman din yung mga facts of the case. So ako, let's just be patient with our senator judges. Wag natin husgahan po kagad sila dahil sila lang naman po ang judge eh. so yun po, be patient and makinig at mag-aral din po para kung meron silang issue with a senator judge, they can raise it up in the public sphere.
The Senate Impeachment Court assures senator judges will have ample time to speak during VP Sara Duterte's trial. Senator Judge Ping Lacson earlier called out what he describes as obviously irrelevant manifestations. Hannah T is reporting live from the Senate. Hannah, what else can you tell us?
Despite concerns over lengthy manifestations during the impeachment trial, the Senate Impeachment Court says it will continue to give wide latitude for senator judges to speak on the Senate floor in the interest of transparency. That's according to Senate Impeachment Court spokesperson Attorney Reggie Tonggol, who said Presiding Officer Cheese Escudero has been consistent with his policy of liberally allowing manifestations from both the parties and senator judges so the public can hear their positions. Tonggol said Escudero also recognizes that senator judges should be given the opportunity to raise matters they believe may affect the credibility and integrity of the impeachment court. He explained that some of those issues cannot easily be raised in a regular Senate plenary session, making the impeachment court the only practical venue for such concerns to be heard. Tonggol added that the presiding officer is simply asking senator judges to respect their allotted speaking time while striking a balance between efficient trial proceedings and the public's right to hear the issues being raised. This comes a day after lengthy manifestations, including those involving NBI Director Melvin Matibag's investigation into the 2019 SEA Games Sports Complex in Tarlac, prompted Senator Judge Ping Lacson to say some obviously irrelevant discussions were already testing the patience of both senator judges and the public. The concern about the NBI was raised by Senator Judges Robin Padilla and eventually the Cayetano siblings. Senator Judge Alan Peter Cayetano seemingly dared the NBI to investigate the said infrastructure as he previously chaired the organizing body that handled the country's hosting of the 2019 SEA Games. Senator Judge Pia then told the body not to tolerate the remarks of Matibag. The exchange on the floor took more than 30 minutes of the impeachment trial. Lacson earlier said a fellow senator judge jokingly suggested moving for a division of the House whenever such manifestations become irrelevant, while he remarked that a motion to adjourn might receive even more applause from the gallery.
Hannah, Director Matibag is set to testify next week, hindi ba? So what can we expect from that? At alam ko marami yata ang nag-i-expect na o sinasabi nila na baka magka-tension between Director Matibag and Senator Judge Alan Peter Cayetano?
By next week, inaasahan natin itong si Matibag na magte-testify by around Tuesday kung matatapos itong oral arguments ng Senate Impeachment Court ng House and prosecution and the defense pagdating doon sa pagpapasabina ng bank records ni VP Sara. At pagdating doon sa pag-testify naman ni Matibag, may natanong natin kung pagka meron bang hindi isang testigo, no, though hindi naman specifically itong si Matibag, pag meron bang isang testigo na let's say he appeared at parang hindi siya nakikipag-cooperate doon sa questioning or pag-testify doon sa mismong trial, pwede ba siyang makontempt ng senator judge or magmo-motion itong senador para sabihin this witness is not cooperating with the Senate Impeachment Court, pwede raw itong makontempt. Although yan yung aabangan natin kung magkakatensyon nga doon sa appearance nitong si Matibag by next week dahil nga nagkaroon ng concern itong si Senator Judge Alan Peter Cayetano pagdating doon sa sinabi ni Matibag na posibleng imbestigahan itong 2019 SEA Games. Pero at the end of the day, Mai, it's also the Senate Impeachment Court who will decide kung makokontempt ba ang isang testigo dahil doon sa mga magiging remark niya. Mai?
Hana, sinasabing baka hahaba pa itong impeachment trial. This may go beyond 90 days. I'm just curious, na pag-uusapan ba dyan yung sinasabing impeachment fatigue sa mga senator judges or even among you in the Senate media?
Alam mo, Mai, medyo challenging yung magiging next article, no, which is the allegations on the misuse of confidential funds of the OVP. Dahil kumpara doon sa grave threats and inciting to sedition allegations versus the VP, ito kasing confi funds, Mai, medyo may numbers na kailangan. And in fact, alam naman natin doon sa daloy ng trial, medyo maraming legal terms na na-encounter over the coverage. So, pinapayuhan itong si Attorney Tunggol yung both prosec and defense na magkaroon ng mala-narrative na pag-proceed pagdating doon sa trial para mas maintindihan daw ito ng publiko. Although, hindi naman napapag-usapan sa ngayon itong impeachment fatigue, pero nire-remind niya lahat doon sa impeachment proceedings na mas maganda kung maiintindihan ng publiko itong trial dahil hindi naman ito yung criminal court proceedings na naririnig natin sa local courts. This is the impeachment court. So maganda raw na naiintindihan ng publiko because almost every day the public is watching. Mai?
Tama ka dyan. Marami nga ang sumusubaybay dito sa trial. Maraming salamat, Hana T. Live from the Senate.